there! Today we are diving into the sweet world of candy corn. It's that time of the year when these colorful treats are everywhere, and I thought why not bring it to life through a drawing? So grab your favorite pencils and let's start our cute little masterpiece. Let's start with an upside down V to draw the candy corn. So we're going to start from here to make a curve up. Okay, I'm just giving my candy corn some shape. Okay, now let's continue from the bottom. And from here we're going to connect the bottom. Okay, now let's make two lines to connect both sides of the candy corn. One over here. I don't know why isn't the shape perfect. Okay. Now let's do the same thing on this side. We left a lot of spot over there because we want to make its face, so that's why. Because that's the way to bring it to life. So you're going to connect it. Okay, now let's make candy corn holding a trick-or-treating basket. So a hand coming up from here. And we're going to make something like that. And the top part of the basket. And let's make the pumpkin shape on it. Okay, and let's make a scary face on it. Like, I want to go for a bear face on it because I want to do candy corn doing, let's say, Easter, eggs hunting. So I want to make that type of shape. That's cute. I don't know what to give, what type of animal it is. So first let's make the eggs. Egg number 1, egg number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 eggs in his cutie little bucket. And I just like adding details. Okay. Now let's make the candy corn's 2 little feet. So one on this side. It's so easy, the easiest step. Making the foot. And one on this side. Like so. Okay, now let's make the second hand. And on the second hand, he's holding a light stick, a star light stick. So we're going to make a line and a star. Because it's a star light stick. Okay, now let's make, to make like light coming out of it, we're going to make that. Okay, let me connect it. Yes, now we have been missing one thing in our candy corn. It's his face. Now let's make its face. I'm gonna start with the mouth this time. So a mouth shaping that way. And a big tongue sticking out. Okay. Yes, like that. Okay, now let's make eyebrows. 1, 2. Who loves eating candy corn? Do tell me in the comment section below. Okay, now let's make its one eye. I'm gonna darken it. Okay. And the second one. Okay, now let's make the second humongous eye for a candy corn. Cute little eye. A very big circle for the eyes. Like the circle's so big and humongous. Okay. Now let's make the cute style that I always make with the candy corn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Okay, now let's make its eyes, its cute little adorable eyes. A big circle on this side and a smaller circle on this side. Now let's color in the candy corn's eyes. So this is taking forever because the eye is so humongous. Meanwhile, I color in the eye. Do write in the comment section below what's your favorite candy. What type of candy is your favorite? Candy corn, candy cane, whatever it is. Okay, that's perfect. I've colored it. Now let me just give it shape so it's not wiggly. No, drawings are not perfect, but it doesn't have to be perfect. It's your starter. So I hope you will become a really, really good artist. Okay, I've done giving my candy corn some nice shape. I'm just adding a bit of details right over here. And some over here. You know, adding details to my picture make it look so cute. Adding details is the best part. Okay, that looks good, right? And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to see more tasty drawing tutorials like this. Your support helps me in making these videos, and I'd love to have you along for this creative journey. Thanks for watching!